I am James Gabriel M. De Mesa. I graduate here in Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Calamba, batch 2024. I recently took the board licensure examination for psychometricians and fortunately, I placed 6th alongside the others. So it's actually a yes or no because kapag narinig mo ang kwento sa ibang top-notchers, you'll hear this common theme na before the board exam, you have this sense of empowerment because it took a lot of preparation and you are prepared to take the board exam. After the board exam, it's actually another story. That sense of confidence, nawawala yan. And this famous line of, makapasa lang ako, okay na yan. Baka 75 lang ako, okay na ako, magiging happy na ako. So, as I reflect in my waiting, as I wait for the results, and distracted myself, until nakita ko na yung results, and yung heart ko talaga nun, happily enough, nakita ko name ko, and hindi ko talaga alam na top-notcher ako. Ang tumawag pa sa akin ay yung dad ko, sabi, Gabe, top 6 ka. Sabi ko, what? Top 6 ako? Ako dito, parang 75 lang ako, okay na ako. So, that was my journey. So last year, batch 2024, our graduation date was in July of 2024. While the board examination was already for next month, August, doon pa lang, alam mo nang hindi kami aabot. And even if pinagpala kami, the preparation was not enough. We decided, I included my classmates, to take the board exam for 2025. In terms of how much time I've invested, it's 1 year. I'm aware, yes, I'm very aware of the sacrifices I've made. Like I said, like I believe to myself, to strive is to move forward, but to commit is to sacrifice. What was I willing to give? The answer is everything. Iba talaga ang expectations before and after the examination. Before, talagang you feel powerful. Bigyan mo ako ng tanong, sasagutin ko yan. But after, I'm aware that a lot of people are expectant for me. Of course, magkakaroon ako ng doubts and burnouts. So, how did I handle it? I did it scared. I did it anxiously. I did it with fear. I did it when in the verge of giving up. I did it because I wanted to. That's how I handled the obstacles that faced me. There are 2 programs that Letran provided us. First is, nung nag-hybrid na kami, face-to-face and online, is the psychological assessment. And number 2 is the special topics. I actually appreciate Letran because they're very prepared. Ang dami nilang test na pinaaral. SB5, the Stanford Binet 5, the 16 personality factor, the OASIS, the Bender Visual Motor Gestalt, and marami pa. Special topics is basically when Letran outsources a review center and enroll us to it so that we can prepare for the board examination. Psychological assessment weighs 40%, while the rest of the 3 is 20%. This means that if you make a 1 mistake in psychological assessment, it's equivalent to 2 in other subjects. So, Letran equip us with a good professor in psychological assessment. So, doon pa lang, pagdating mo sa review center, parang ano na siya, uy, alam ko to, naaral ko na to. I'm prepared for this, and dahil to sa Letran. The piece of advice that I could give for future examinees is that remember that learning is like building a house. Before you could establish a house, you need a strong foundation first. Make mistakes and learn from them. They're the best teachers that we ever have. I could say the basic advice is like, kaya mo yan, or you can do it. But as a psychology graduate, I would say here that we should never underestimate or ever overestimate the mind. I'll do it scared. I'll do it anxiously. I'll do it even with the verge of giving up. I'll do it because I want to, and people are waiting for my help. So my final message is thank you everyone for your undying support. I could have done this without you. And finally, registered psychometrician na ako. Diyos, Patria, Letran, Arriba!